Welcome to Jackie Smith's metal detecting channel on YouTube.
Morning, 28th of July. We've had no rain for 7 weeks. It's absolutely pouring it down. So it's going to be heaven. Just going to get my waterproofs on and let's get digging. First find, it's a little sixpence. It's not silver. Queen Elizabeth. I can't really see a date on that yet. Look, it's raining. There's my plug. It's still very dry and it's just wet at the top there. Next signal, it's in the clump. A coin or a button. Let's just try and break it. Oh, I think it's a buckle. It's still baked on the ground. I think it's a little garter buckle. I'll just give it a brush. Just had a little top off something. Probably a little tobacco tin or something like that. Someone's just had a hammered coin, silver. Woohoo! Oh, I didn't get on film. The sheep were just nibbling the top of my dais. They've come to the wrong corner. I think I'm going to let them through into that next field. But we're not allowed, you've got to stay in here. Look at that for a chunk of lead. Weird. The rain's just stopped for a minute, so I'm having a chocolate bar. Just had a little 2-ringer bullet. Hooray! I found silver! It's hard to film it because it's a bit worn. It's got a hole in it, so it's been made into a necklace. I think it's a 3p. Not had a 3p for ages. Woohoo! Right next to that 3p silver hole is this toy. Don't know if it's a train. That looks like part of an old buckle. Tiny silver button. I've just got this signal and it looks like a cut half hammered, but I can't see anything on it, so it's probably just some metal. Looks silver though. This looks nice. Perhaps it's off a buckle or something. I've had one of these for ages. It's one of them lion's feet of furniture, but that's tiny. Just had a coin, copper. We're going home now. I'll show you what I found in the roundup at the end. I'm the gate shutter today to make sure all these sheep don't get out. We're going in Laffield next week. Right, what a great day's digging in the rain it was. I was absolutely made up it was raining. It was brilliant. Like I said before, it's a new permission, new field. I didn't find any rubbish. Well, as in like tin cans and stuff, you know what I mean. I got lots of lead. So that's good for the lead bucket. Square piece of lead. There's that car. I don't know if it's a car or a tractor or a train. Looks to me like a train carriage maybe. And I got, it's like a lid of something, tiny. One of those lion foot that they use on furniture and things, that's tiny. That lead with a hole in it, tiny. Couple of lead bullets. Howard found that lovely watchfinder. It has got some patterns on it and it's been gold gilt at one time. The tiniest piece, it took me ages to find that. I got some buckles, garter buckle. I'm assuming that would have been enough a buckle. And 4 coins. That's the George III, it's gone crusty now. I'm sure I've seen a date saying 1810. That's the Queen Elizabeth II sixpence. I think it's 1956. There was a date there somewhere. And 2 silvers. Woohoo! Go me. That one's 1850. 3p. With a hole in it. Someone's turned it into a pendant. Queen Victoria. And that one, I'm assuming it's a William sixpence. They used to make them into love tokens from 1696-ish. And I think someone's tried to make that into a love token and broke it. So I just disregarded it, obviously. So yeah, it's a great day. I said before that we were going on the next field to this next week, but Cheeseman's got a new permission just down the road. Let's just add the stubble cut. That's where they grow the corn and things. So we're going to go in the stubble field, brand new stubble field, and save those new fields for later in the year when the crops are in. So I hope you've all had some rain. We only got like a day and a half of it, but it was absolutely great. It wasn't too hot, it was just perfect. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my library button. It's been silvered at one point. It's got like a stag on it. I think there were a few of those buttons found. So yeah, I had a great day. And some silver. Woohoo! So, till I see you next week, thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, and I'll see you next week. Best wishes. Bye for now. Bye.